What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a bike check on the Verde Vex. Start at the top. This is a Subrosa stem and Colt grips, Verde bars, and shadow tire, stock rim, Subrosa forks, Verde Vex frame, animal pivotal seat, animal pivotal seat post. Back rim is demolition, back hub is we the people. Let me go over here. This is demolition, sprocket is demolition, cranks are Subrosa, and pedals are United. United pedals, Eastern headset, animal pegs, and that's it. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe, and that's it. Bye.